Welcome, in front of me is ASUS VivoBook Pro, and in this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So first of all, I understand that if you want to enter the recovery mode, then you may not have the access to the OS, which I in my case do. So I'm gonna show you two different methods for the situation in which you can access the OS and the other one in which you can't. But beforehand, let's first open the settings and check the device's information, which we are gonna need, because in the recovery mode your device may get locked by the BitLocker, and you're gonna have to get the recovery key for your device, and I'm gonna show you the first way that you can locate it. So go into the system, go into about section, and right here in device specifications you'll see your device name, and you can either memorize it or write it down, because you may need it in the future in order to locate your BitLocker keys. Now I'm gonna show you where to find the recovery keys for BitLocker in a separate device, because as I said before, you may not have the access to this laptop during this process. So prepare any other device. In my case it's gonna be a PC, but you can also find the informations you need on a phone or tablet, or basically any other device. So right now let me switch to another PC, and right here let's open the web browser and search for aka.ms/myrecovery-key. You can copy this and paste it in your web address field. So copy, paste, press enter, and on the following page you'll have to log into your Google Microsoft account. So input your login. As you can see, I already have inserted the login, the email information. So first of all, enter your email address or phone number, then enter your password, and click next. And on the following page you'll be able to see the list of recovery keys, which are going to be located in this column. So right now right here you can see the device name, which you can find if you have access to your device, or if you remember the device name for your device. You have the key upload date. Otherwise, if you remember when you added a Microsoft account to your device. But if you don't know any of these two, you also have key ID, and you're gonna seek the key ID when it's required if your PC gets locked by a BitLocker. So just find the recovery key that matches the key ID or the device name or the key upload date in case your device gets locked. So in this case, in that case you'll have to enter the full recovery key that you can see in this column in order to regain access to your device. Okay, so right now we can switch back to the laptop view, and since you know how to enter since you know your recovery key now and how to access it, we can return to this laptop back, and at this point I'm gonna show you the first method of entering the recovery mode. So to do that, from your OS, select Start, then select the power options, and once you select the power options, press and hold down the right shift key. I'm gonna show it to you. so this button, just press and hold it and keep holding it until your device is restarted. Okay, so hold it down, select power, select restart, and then wait for your device to be restarted. So it's gonna shut down right now, and keep holding it in the meantime. Do not release the key even when your device is switched off. Okay, we have some updates underway. It's quite unexpected, but okay, it's Windows, it's Microsoft. I usually do things this way. Okay, and once your device switches on and you see the please wait sign below your logo, that means that you can release the shift button at this point, and your device is going to boot up into the recovery mode. And right here you can go to troubleshoot to go deeper into recovery mode, but for now I'm gonna choose continue. I'm gonna choose turn off my PC in order to exit it and show you the second method of how to enter the recovery mode. Okay, so right now when the PC is turned off, all you have to do if you don't have access to your OS is to turn on your device and shut it down when it starts up. So basically press the power button once, it's lit up, and once it starts booting up, shut it down by holding the power key once again. And then repeat this process. Usually it takes a couple of attempts, usually 2 to 3 attempts, and at some point you'll be able to see the preparing automatic repair or please wait sign under your logo. Okay, so let's try the third time, and you can see the preparing automatic repair sign under your logo. So right now let's wait for the PC to boot into the recovery mode. And on the following page, as you can see, basically all the same thing happens if you do not get the BitLocker, generally speaking. So yeah, in my case the PC got locked, so I'm gonna have to use the recovery key to get it going again. So let me check for the, as you can see, the recovery key ID is right here. So right now let me check my recovery keys, my key ID. And then enter it in the following field. Okay, so now that it's entered, let's press continue and see if we get to use the device again. And as you can see, everything worked well. So basically, as you can see right now, those are the two options of how you can enter the recovery mode on your device, and just in case how to get the access back in case you get BitLocked by the BitLocker. So I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.